Guys, welcome back to our weekly forex forecast or weekly market outlook. In this video, as usual, I'm going to give you what is the best or the most critical macro data that you have to keep an eye for in this week, and also what is the best pair, what is the best asset for you to trade in this week, and also some small talks about the macro condition. So guys, welcome back to our weekly forex forecast. I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX, and let's go straight to the chart. Okay, as usual, before we go chart, we are going to look for the macro data that we should have to keep an eye for in this week. From Wednesday, we will have German CPI. On Thursday, we will have two types of region who release some of the most critical macro data that can shake up the economy. First one is GDP from Britain, and second one GDP also year on year, and the last one from Britain is GDP month on month. From the US side, we will have core CPI month on month, CPI month on month, and then also the last one is from US side is the CPI year on year. That's pretty much it. Nothing big going on in this week because the US government is still on shutdown. And let's go straight to the chart. So this video is going to be very quick. And it's going to be very simple because I tend to analyze with DXY as our starter. So let's move to DXY and let's talk about DXY. So on the forward chart, we can see right here the price already entered or touched the previous last week resistance zone as its final target. Right now on the forward chart, we can see right here the price move to the retracement or to make a pullback momentum or structure to the demand zone right here. So this is the potential demand zone that the price or the dollar index will come to visit and refuel its bullish momentum. After that, we are going to see that on the dollar index itself, it's going to climb to another high, which is at around, let me check it on the daily chart, which is at around this zone here. This is a supply zone right here. It's at around probably $101.500. It's going to be like that. So on the forward chart, if you trade on the direct pair, you want to option for sell position or short position because the dollar index is plunging. I mean, the dollar index is make very bullish transition in this period of time. So the next one is, let's go straight to the next one, which is Bitcoin. Okay, in the last week, I have already made a Bitcoin forecast. You should have checked that video because I'm having so much good time creating that video because Bitcoin is moving so aggressively. Either it was in the bearish momentum or in the correction movement. But right now on the daily chart of Bitcoin, the Bitcoin plan for this week is on the daily chart. We are going to see that here the price already make a bullish Harami candlestick pattern right here. Then we can see that there is high likely chance or high potential chance that the price will likely to move to the supply zone right here. Then make a rejection. After it's absorbed all its supply, then it can continue to the downward momentum, which is on the support zone, which is at around 98.933 or $98,933. So the final target for the daily chart, it should be on here. You can see right there, this is a demand zone. Okay, I'm going to draw it with line because not quite great with pen tool. Okay, so it should be at around, the final target for the Bitcoin should be at around $97,921 until $92,902. That is it for Bitcoin. The plan for Bitcoin right now, this week, today, is to continue its pullback momentum. Then it absorbed all supply zone, which is right here. and then after that it makes rejection or further rejection, then it can start continuing to the bearish momentum. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the Bitcoin USD or Bitcoin dollar. We are going to check out the next one is from the pound yen. Last week we are talking about the dollar yen. Right now we are going to talk about the pound yen. So on the forward chart, we can see right here, this is very beautiful, very clean, very setup. The price already makes change of character, and then the boss, and then right now the price make a rejection on the first supply zone. But inside of the supply zone, on the rejection itself, it creates a rally-based drop. It's going to be rally-based drop formation. So what we can do right here on the pound yen is to wait for the price on the lower time frame, let's see on the 30-minute time frame, to make a sign of trend transition here. The price right here still move in the sideways momentum or base formation. The base is quite high, quite long, so we can say it was sideways momentum. Then after that, after we see that there is a sign of trend transition on the 30-minute time frame, we can start entering in short position. Resistance for the pound yen, it's on $203.266 until 199. This is for the support is on 199.069. The final target, if you want to short this position, is on 197.492. This is a very simple trade. So when I see that there is a change of transition on the lower time frame, I'm going to start position myself on this short position. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it for this weekly forex forecast and weekly market outlook. Should be very simple for you to trade in this week because the price action itself is very clean. There is no much going on in the market. There is no much shadow or aggressive movement in the market itself. So it should be easy money for us to make this week. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video if you found out this video is helpful. So, and then don't forget to follow our X, Instagram, and TikTok so you can get notified if I made this kind of video. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next week. Bye bye.